Hi there, this is Chris Alagar and welcome to my channel. It's Halloween. So, happy Halloween to everybody. In this video, I'm going to find the ghost in the backyard. So, check it out. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get it on. Guys, I'm going to find the ghost in the backyard. Let's get it on. Hey. Hey. Oh my god, there it is. Holy shit, the camera can see it. I found the real ghost. Oh my god, it's so scary. So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell, like this goddamn video, you're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Push.